Hi there, it's Isilia here from Tax World. Today I'd like to talk to you about Section 118A of the Taxes Consolidation Act 1997. Section 118A provides that personal security expenses paid by an employer are not treated as benefit in kind (BIK) if there is a genuine and serious threat to the employee's physical safety due to their job. Examples of personal security expenses include installing an advanced home security system for an employee in the banking sector who might be at risk from criminals, modifying a vehicle to be bulletproof or bombproof, paying for taxi fares for employees working late in unsafe areas. These qualifying personal security expenses are not considered benefits in kind (BIK), so they are not taxed. If the security asset is also used for personal reasons, this is not taken into account, as long as its main purpose is for security. In cases where the asset is partially used for improving personal security, the expenses must be divided accordingly. The tax relief is only granted if it leads to an enhancement in the employee's physical safety. The tax relief is not forfeited if the security asset is attached to land, the employee gains ownership of the asset or service also boosts the physical security of the employee's family or household. I hope you found that useful, and I'll see you in the next video.